Why do you want to learn body language? Tell me. You want to be better with people? You want to better connect with people? Do you want to have a stronger relationships? Maybe know more about the people that are standing in front of you. There is a super fast way how to do it, and I'm just going to share it with you. So hope you're looking forward to that. Open your eyes, open your ears, open your senses, and whatever you are getting, reproduce it back to the people you are getting it from. People are enjoying things they already know and that they are familiar to them. And when you become familiar to them, because they will recognize themselves in you, they will like you more, you will be more influential, you will be creating stronger bonds, you'll be doing just better with the people. And that is a goal of that. I just might end it over here, but I just want to say it's obviously a bit more difficult than just that. That's a concept that's very easily put, that concept that some people are studying for a lifetime. When you are getting more into the specifics, you find there are some buts, there are something that is not that easy as it sounds. But this principle, when you will follow that, when you will actually observe the person that you are talking to, you will look at that person, you will listen to that person, and you will sense that feeling, overall feeling that you are getting, and you will reproduce that to that very person. You will experience enormous change in your relationships because you will be perceptive, and the perception is very important, and giving that to that people is that mirroring thing, and there is a lot what to talk about, but I want to keep it really quick, that video, so I will just cut it here. If you have any questions, leave a comment or browse the other videos. Bye.